Hi guys, my name is Lisa and today I'll be going to make a earring. For this, I'll take 2 earring hooks, scissors, thread and a clip. So first I'll take the thread, I'll put to this one and now I'll rotate it like this for more than 100 times. So it's done, almost I have put 100 times. And now I'll cut it, and now I'll open from my hand, and by middle I'll cut it. After that, this part I'll take the earring hooks. See, this part is some open and I'll put it over there. This part is also small, so I have taken thin. Go inside. And now I'll close this part. So see, it's done, it's closed. And now I'll take a small piece of thread. I'll put it over here. And I'll put my earring here and I'll just tie it so that it doesn't come out. I'll tie it tightly so that it doesn't come out from here. So as you have seen, I have tied it tightly, and now I'll cut off the uneven part. And it's done. I'll do the same with this earring. So it's done. I have made both of them, and now I'll put on these small bits on the hook. So it's done. So hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.